Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm a pharmacology student in the Faculty of Pharmacy in Hamah, and today I'm going to be talking about Covid-19. So, with us being a few months into the pandemic, a lot of people seem to put off their guard and swipe the whole thing under a rug, and we don't want that. So, today I'm going to be reminding you of how important it is to do your part to protect yourself and your loved ones. So let's get started. What is Covid-19? Unless you've been living under a rock, of course you've heard of Covid-19, but let's go over the basics. Covid-19, short for coronavirus disease 2019, is the official name given by the WHO to the disease caused by coronavirus. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses that cause a common cold. There have been two recent epidemics involving coronavirus. One is called MERS, which stands for Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. The other one is called SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. They are both highly contagious and highly fatal, but fairly limited. And then they kind of evolved into what we know today as Covid-19. Now, what is the basic structure? What does the virus look like? So it has RNA enclosed in protein, spike protein, and lipid membrane. So now let's get to the important stuff. How do I know I have Covid-19 and what are these symptoms? There are a few symptoms, the main ones being fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, especially fever, as you don't usually see this in a common cold. Now, the main concern is that it spreads very easily by droplets, which are tiny drops of water that come out when you cough, sneeze, or even talk, so it does spread very easily. So how do I protect myself? There is currently no vaccine to prevent Covid-19, but you have to be very responsible to protect yourself and others around you. Of course, you should wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This is super important, as I know a lot of people don't take this too seriously, but it is super important because soap is the most effective cleanser against the virus. Now, you can also use hand sanitizer that has at least 60% alcohol to make sure it is working. Never touch your face and eyes, of course, and then if you cough and sneeze, please use a tissue. If you don't have a tissue, then cough or sneeze on your bent elbow. Now, to have a stronger immune system, it is super important to eat healthy and exercise regularly. Finally, if you're not feeling very well, please wear a face mask. Now, there are a few kinds of face masks. We have paper mask, surgical mask, and N95 mask. These are just the basics. There's only so much I can cover in one video, but please educate yourself and try to read more about it. There are some ongoing potential trials evaluating potential treatments, but until they find one, please protect yourself, stay healthy, and stay safe. Thank you very much.